is Cleo. He is the scariest of cats. He's cute. Look at him eating his food. With the slightest noise, let's see. Okay, ready? Show you. I opened the drawer just a little. Hey, Cleo. He's like a human cartoon, but a real cartoon. Excuse me.